Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp. So for that, you have to first go to your WhatsApp account. After that, at the top portion, you can see Ask Meta AI or search. Tap on it. Now you have to search Meta AI. You will find this section. Tap on it. Now there are several options to write a message, but you can see there is an option I want to write a message. Just tap on it. You can actually tap any of it. It's just for the starting of a procedure. Now tap on the Meta AI icon. Okay. Now the notification button, and you have to just mute it and select always and confirm it. Now go to the advanced setting, then unselect the use high priority notifications, then go back. Now go to the home page. Now select it, and you have to just tap on the archive button. And that's how easily you can remove Meta AI from WhatsApp. So if this video helped you, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.